So good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are very fine. Okay, so first I will discuss laws of reflection. Okay, very fast because I have already discussed this part in the class. Okay, so see, we'll just come first. Suppose this is the reflecting surface, or consider this is a mirror. This is a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. Okay, see, this is a plane surface. So this is a plane mirror, and this is far ray. This is the ray. Acha, what did I say? The ray which incident or which strikes, the ray which strikes the surface is called incident ray. So this is incident ray. IR, incident ray. IR means incident ray. Okay, and after striking the surface, the ray gets reflect. Okay, gets reflect, or it return back to the initial medium again after striking the surface. Suppose this is a point O. After striking the surface, the ray returns back to the initial medium again, and that ray is called the reflected ray. RR means reflected ray. So this is incident ray, this is reflected ray. Okay, and what did I say? This I have to draw a normal. I have to draw a normal at the point of incidence. That means here incident ray strikes the surface at the point O. So this is the point of incidence. Now at this point I can draw a normal. This is the normal. Normal is actually what? Normal is the line drawn perpendicular line. Perpendicular line drawn at the point of incidence. Okay, perpendicular line means the angle between this line and plane is 90 degree. 90 degree. That means this is the angle. This angle is equal to obviously 90 degree. So this side also be 90 degree. Okay, because we know total angle is 180 degree. Clear? Acha. And what is the angle of incidence? This is the angle of incidence. Just see, this is the angle of incidence, and this is the angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. I means angle of incidence, R means angle of reflection. I am telling again and again, angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are measured with the normal. This is normal, not with the surface. बच्चे ही गलती कर जाते हैं, not with the surface. So अच्छा, so for example, suppose this is the incident ray. Okay, suppose it is I have already discussed about this kind of sums. I am giving an example just. So this angle is 60 degrees. So what is the angle of incidence? So see, this is the angle with the surface, but this is not the angle of incidence. What did I say? The angle of incidence must be drawn from with the normal. This is the normal. So, and we know total angle is 90 degree. I have told total angle is 90 degree. So this is 60 degree. So what is the remaining angle here? So this angle must be 30 degree. So this is the angle of incidence. Clear? So this kind of sums can come in the examination. Clear? Okay, just I've told you that whenever you see the angle is given with the surface, then always subtract from 90. Subtract from 90 degree. Subtract from 90 degree. Clear? Because the angle of incidence or the angle of reflection is made with the normal. Okay. Acha. Okay, so now come to the laws of reflection. What is the first law? First law is angle of incidence, incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence lie in a same plane. Incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence lie in a same plane. That means, suppose I am giving an example. See, suppose my copy is the plane mirror. My copy is the plane mirror, and this is the incident ray. Okay, and suppose this is incident ray, this is the reflected, and this is the normal. Okay, but I can't show you because my other hand is busy to catch the phone or to carry the phone. So see, suppose this is the incident ray. So this is the space plane, okay, and this is the ground plane. So that is not the plane that I am talking about. Okay, if the incident ray is in this plane, I mean in space, then the reflected ray and the normal, they all lie on the same plane. That means they also lie in this plane. I mean this space plane. Okay, and this is the ground plane. Okay, but if suppose this is the mirror, suppose this is the mirror is placed like that. Okay, and this is the incident ray. Now you will understood. Suppose this is the plane. So see, this is the mirror, this is the mirror, this card is the mirror, this is my second pan card, huh? Okay, so this is the incident ray, this is the mirror, this is the incident ray. Just a second, I'm showing you. Now you will understood, you will understand. Suppose this is the plane mirror. So see, what is the plane of this mirror? This is the plane of the mirror, this is the plane. Okay, okay, and this is not the ground plane. See, the plane is drawn perpendicular to the ground, perpendicular to the, and the plane is in the space. This is the plane and this is the ground, this is the ground and this is the mirror plane, and this is the ground plane. Okay, so and in at the ground plane there is incident. How this is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray, and this is the normal. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal, they all lie in the same plane. See, these three lie in the ground plane, but mirror is not in the ground plane, mirror is perpendicular to the ground, mirror is perpendicular to the ground. It is not possible that incident ray is in this plane, reflected ray in this plane. I mean, incident ray and the reflected ray both are in the ground plane, but the normal is drawn like this, I mean in the perpendicular to the mirror plane, perpendicular to the ground. It is not, it is not possible, it is not possible, it is not possible. That means incident ray and reflected ray is in the ground plane, but the normal is drawn perpendicular to the ground, I mean parallel to the mirror. This is the mirror, this card shows mirror, this is the mirror actually, yeah. Incident ray, reflected ray and the normal, these three lie in the same plane. Okay, this is the ray, this is the ray. Okay, this is the first law, and second law is very easy. I is equals to R. That means angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. That means this angle must be equal to this angle. Clear? This angle must be equal to this angle. These are equal. That means if it is 30 degree, so it also is 30 degree. It is, if it is 45 degree, then it is also 45 degree. Acha, now can you tell me what is the angle between incident ray and reflected ray? What is the angle between incident ray and reflected ray? What did I say? This is equal to this equal to this. So what is the angle between this and this? If I multiply 2 with this, then I will get that whole angle. Suppose if it is 30 degrees, so 30 plus 30 is 60 degree. Okay, so understood now. 30, if it is 40 degree 45, so it also must be 45. So 45 90 degree. So I can say if I multiply 2, with one angle, then I will get the angle between incident ray and reflected ray. Clear everybody? Acha, now the image drawn by plane mirror, so image formed by a plane mirror, image formed by a plane mirror. Okay, acha, in the last class I have already discussed what are the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. Okay, so see, how can we draw this? How can we draw this? Suppose this is the mirror, huh? This is the mirror or the plane surface, whatever you say, and this is the object. This is the object. Okay, this is the object. Okay. Acha, see, what is the object distance from the mirror? From the mirror, see, object distance is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter. Object distance is 3 centimeter. So object distance is 3 centimeter. Okay. Acha, now come. That means so this is the mirror, huh? M, and this is 3 centimeter. So how can you draw the image? See this process carefully. Acha, one thing you have to remember, acha, first I will tell about the ray. What is ray? Ray is this is called ray. So this is a single arrow. This is called a ray. This is called a ray. Clear? And a bundle of parallel rays. A bundle means there are several number of rays. Several rays is called bundle of rays or beam. This is called a beam. Single ray is called, on single line is called ray, That's why I have called incident ray. Single ray, single ray, single arrow. And a bundle of rays are called beam. So one thing you have to remember, that all the light, suppose light from the tube light, LED bulb, it is actually beam comes, huh? Not the ray. Actually, beam comes, and beam consists of large number of rays. That means we can consider the lights which we get actually consist of large number of rays. Okay, acha. Now one thing you have to remember, that is to draw any image. To draw any image, we need minimum 2 rays. To draw an image, we need minimum 2 rays. Okay, so see, suppose this is the first ray. This is the first ray, and this is the object. O means object. And this is the second ray. So see, now what will happen? These 2 rays strike the mirror. So what will happen? What will like a reflection occur? This is the normal. This is also the normal, and the reflection will occur. And for this reflection, it follows the laws of reflection. That means this angle must be equal to this and this equal, and similarly this angle must be equal to this angle. This is the normal, normal. N means normal, This is the reflector, Acha. Understood? This is a mirror. So when 2 rays strike the mirror surface, then they will reflect back or they will return back. Okay? Acha. And these reflections follow the laws of reflection. That means incident ray must be equal to reflector ray. Clear? Acha. Now, how can you draw the image? Okay. Acha, suppose this is you and you are standing in front of the mirror. So now can you tell me where the image is from? Obviously behind the mirror. So how can we get the image behind the mirror? See. So this is the reflector ray, and one thing is more important, that is you have to draw the arrowhead, otherwise marks will be deducted. The arrowhead has the importance for the light, for the rays. Acha, so this is the reflector ray. Okay, extend this ray in backward direction. Piche खींचो. And also extend the reflector ray, not the incident ray. Incident ray तो निकल जाएगा. Not the incident ray. Draw the reflector ray. अच्छा, why I am drawing the reflector ray? I am telling. Draw the reflector ray in the backward direction. Okay, and they will meet at a point. And this must be the image of this object. This is the image. In this way the image is formed. Acha, why I have drawn the reflector ray? Because reflector ray will form the image, not the incident ray. Reflector rays will form the image. That's why I have drawn reflector rays in backward direction. Okay. Acha, if you observe, I think you have not observed. You have observed it. If you have observed, when I have shown you that the distance is 3 centimeter, I have taken this point already. Julia, suno. Acha, what are the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror? Object size is equals to image size. Suppose this object has the height 5 centimeter. So this also must be, image also must be of 5 centimeter. Clear? First. Second, lateral inversion occur. That means right side, suppose the object in this side, the object right side, in this side will be right side. Okay. It appears as right side. Okay. That means in this side, right side will appear as left side in this side, for this side. Clear? Second. Third, image is, object distance is equals to image distance. If it is in 3 centimeter, I mean the object is in 3 centimeter, then the image must be formed at 3 centimeter this distance. That's why I have taken this point. Okay, 3 centimeter, and I have to take this distance also in 3 centimeter. That's why I have taken the point. Okay. Okay. Acha, so see, object height is equals to image height first. Second, image is laterally inverted. Image is laterally inverted. Third, object distance, object distance is equals to image distance. Clear? And last, and which is more important, acha, can you tell me here the rays are actually meet or not? These are the actual ray. These are the actual gone. They have gone. They have gone. They do not act. The rays are not meet actually. The rays are not meet actually. Okay. They are meet virtually. We have made the rays virtually. Okay, that means they see na. Here I have extended in the backward direction. I have extended in the backward direction. Not the actual rays are not meet. See, these are rays are the actual rays. These rays do not meet ever. The rays do not meet ever. See, this ray will go in this way and this ray will go in this way. So they will not meet ever. But if we extend backward direction, then they will meet. So they will meet virtually. They will meet virtually. That's why the image is virtual image. That is the this point is the fourth and most important point. The image is virtual image. And remember, virtual is always erect or upright, whatever you can say. What does this mean? Upright means object head will same as the image head. मतलब इस साइड जो सर है, इस साइड सर के डायरेक्शन में ही रहेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि इस साइड सर है, इस साइड पैर हो जाएगा, नहीं. हाँ, राइट हैंड लेफ्ट हैंड हो जाएगा, लेकिन सर पैर की तरफ नहीं जाएगा. सो इमेज इज अपराइट, दैट मीन्स सेम डिरेक्शन. सो दीज आर द 4 characteristics. So clear, virtual image understood. Why this is virtual image? Because the rays are not meet. The rays do not meet actually. The rays meet virtually. The rays meet virtually. Okay. And if you see, I can't or you can't obtain this image on a screen. एक mirror के पीछे एक screen लगा दो. You can't obtain the image on the screen. So that is also the definition of virtual image. Actual virtual image is the rays are not, or the rays do not meet actually. The rays do not meet actually. Okay. Okay. और एक topic. Regular and irregular reflection. Regular and irregular reflection. Regular and irregular reflection. Regular and irregular reflection. So first see what is acha. This side regular and this side irregular. This side regular, irregular. See, acha, regular means regular reflection occur on the smooth surface, smooth or regular surface, or you can say on the plane surface. Huh? Regular reflection occur on smooth or regular surface. Irregular reflection occur on irregular or rough surface. Clear? Regular reflection occur on smooth or regular surface, and irregular reflection occur on irregular or rough surface. Acha. So see what is irregular and what is irregular reflection. Suppose this is the plane surface or smooth surface. Suppose this is a simple mirror which we use in our daily life. They are not actually fully plane, but we consider they are almost plane mirror. Acha, suppose a beam of light strike the mirror. Acha, what did I say? What is beam of light? What is beam of light? A beam of light consists of large number of parallel rays. A beam of light consists of large number of parallel rays. Okay. So suppose this is a beam of light consists of large number of parallel rays. So see, that is more important, very important line. The rays are parallel. So incident, these are the incident rays. Incident rays are parallel. Very important line. Parallel. Okay. The rays are very parallel. Sorry, so there are rays are parallel, not very. Okay. Acha. Actually, any beam of light consists of large number of parallel rays. Simple. Okay. So these are also parallel rays. Acha. So what is the regular reflection? For regular reflection, after striking the surface, parallel rays return back parallelly. That means they when they acha see acha, and one thing you have to remember, for this reflection also, mm, laws of reflection will valid, or this reflection follow the laws of reflection. That means incident angle must be equal to the reflected angle. So this angle must be same. This angle equal to this angle. This angle, this angle equal to this angle. Okay. So see. So these are the reflector rays. These rays are the reflector rays. So say incident rays are parallel. Reflector rays are also parallel. And for this kind of reflection, follow the or obey the, I mean regular reflection obey the laws of reflection. Incident angle must be equal to the reflected angle. Incident angle must be equal to the reflected angle. Clear? So see, incident rays are parallel, reflected rays also parallel. This kind of reflection are called regular reflection. You will get the definition in your book, but I am telling again. If parallel rays strike on a plane surface and after striking, the ray reflected back parallelly or gets reflected parallelly, then this kind of reflection are called regular reflection, regular or specular reflection. Understood? Main topic is, or main funda is, incident rays are parallel and reflector is also parallel, and this rays reflection occur on smooth or regular surface. Okay, clear? And for the irregular surface, what will happen? See, suppose this is an irregular surface. Irregular surface means not smooth surface. Not smooth surface is not smooth. Clear? Acha, suppose for this case also, suppose here another beam strike. Suppose here also one beam strike, beam of light strike. And what did I say? Beam of light consists of number of parallel rays. Clear? Suppose this is a parallel. These rays are parallel rays. Okay, these are the incident rays. Acha. Now can you tell me, for this kind of reflection, I mean irregular reflection, obey the laws of reflection or not? I mean for this case, angle of incidence will be equal to angle of reflection or not? Listen carefully. ऐसा लग सकता है कि लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन ओबे नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि ये सरफेस तो प्लेन नहीं है, ये कार्व सरफेस है. दिस सरफेस इज अ कार्व सरफेस. सो इट सीम्स ऐसा लग सकता है, बट एक्चुअली नॉट फॉर बोथ काइंड ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन laws of reflection valid. So see, how can I draw or how can I show laws of reflection valid? So here surface means not this one. Here surface means actually you have to draw a tangent. So this is the surface. So this is the normal here. This is the normal. Okay, this is normal. For this case, this is the surface and this is the normal. For this case, this is the surface and this is the normal. Clear? And after reflection, see, so the angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. So this will be in this way, and this must be, and this must be. So see what happens here. These are the incident rays. But and they are parallel, P-A-R-A-L-L-E-L. But see, these are the reflector rays. So what is the difference between incident and regular and irregular reflection? For regular reflection occur on smooth surface, irregular reflection occur on irregular or rough surface. For regular reflection, incident rays and parallel reflector rays both are parallel, but for irregular reflection, incident rays are parallel, but reflector rays are not parallel. After reflection, the rays scatter away, or they spread in different direction. This kind of reflection are called irregular reflection. And one thing you have to remember, for both kind of reflection, they follow the laws of reflection. See, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. For this case also, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. For this case also, for both kind of reflection, laws of reflections are obeyed. Laws of reflections are obeyed. Don't think that on the curved surface, I mean reflection on the curved surface, laws of reflections are not followed. This is the wrong concept. This is a very important question. ओके, बहुत गलती होती है, और बहुत सारे ऐसे टीचर्स है वो ये पढ़ाते हैं, इट इज नॉट फॉलोड. बट रिमेंबर, फॉर बोथ काइंड ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, laws of reflections are obeyed, or they follow the laws of reflection. Clear? How? Because surface is not that actually, for the surface I have to draw a tangent. Okay, tangent, then I have to draw the normal. Okay, so clear. So what is irregular reflection? For irregular reflection is parallel rays strike the surface, and after reflection the rays get reflected and scatter away, or they spread away, and this kind of reflection are called irregular reflection. That means for irregular reflection, incident rays and reflected rays are both are parallel, but for irregular reflection, incident rays are parallel but reflected rays are not parallel, they scatter. Scatter matlab is TTER. Scatter means spread in different direction. Okay, okay, suppose in the they are इधर, okay, इधर चला जाएगा ऐसे. Okay, okay, clear. Regular reflection, clear. Okay, so today I will complete here. I have come. In the next class I will continue, because you have to read and understand this topic. Okay, okay, students. So read very well. Thank you and have a nice day.